What's up, Class FitSugar? It's your girl, Maricris, creator of Move with Maricris, and today I have a 15-minute lower back and core workout. You don't need any equipment, just your mat and some energy, because every round we're gonna spice it up. You ready to go? Let's get it. Class is officially in session. We're getting straight to it. We're spending all day on the mat here, so join me on the floor. We've got 5 moves. We're starting out with a double heel drop. So press that low back into the floor and drop it down. Core is braced, feet are flexed. Time under tension here, don't rush it. Imagine those heels are tapping into water. No big puddles, right? No big splashes. Let's go, and then we're gonna have a small break in between our movements. Finish here, last 15 seconds. You can feel that lower abdominal while working. Push out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. We're gonna stay right here. We're going into bicycle crunches, but legs only. Okay, low back press, and those legs are gonna pedal just like this in 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's go. Exhale out, give me that full extension right here. And I've got you covered in case low back is an issue. Keep it a little bit closer and tighter. Otherwise, full extensions. And fun surprise is this is your foundational round, but every round we are spicing it up, okay? So check in with yourselves and feel free to join me if you're ready to get crazy. Let's go. I think this is much harder than actual bike. 15 seconds. Held out. Less than 10. Come on. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we're switching over to our belly, right? Strong core, we need a strong low back. We're going into Superman's arms and legs extended. You're gonna lift up, squeeze glutes, core, everything, and reset down. Let's go in 3, 2, and up. Okay, nice exhale. Just like that. Find that eye line. Want to maintain a neutral position with your head. Squeeze real tight. Get that pause at the top. Strengthen right here. Don't rush through it. Look for that end range. Come on. Last 15. Push it out with me. Come on. Last 10. Fly it out. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Take a second to pause right there. Let's get into our next move. We're gonna go into an alternating bird dog, tabletop position right here. You're gonna extend opposite arm and leg, reset in the middle, and take it to the other side. I'm gonna push back for a second. Here we go, in 3, 2, and 1. So please remember, this is your foundational round. You can always come back to this because we're gonna spice it up real soon. So trust me when I say this is not easy. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a little bit. Extend, make sure you're not shifting your weight over. You're staying nice and center. Imagine someone's pulling on your wrists and ankles as you're extending out. Let's go, 10 seconds. Finish here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax gently. Make your way up to the top. We're going into a walkout, feet hip width apart. You're gonna hinge forward, straight legs. You're gonna walk out to full plank and push it back up to the top. And we repeat, just like that. 3, 2, and let's go. Make sure you finish that plank nice and strong at the bottom. Right, don't stop halfway. You got it. It's gonna be the end of round 1 right here. And we're just gonna add a couple more combos. I like to play. Hope you do too. Let's go, we're past that halfway point. Get that stretch, a little bit of mobility mixed in. Feel yourself up. Last 10. Push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back up. All right, break. We're coming back down to the floor. We're going round 2 right here, back to those heel drops, but this time we're alternating. So bring your feet into that reverse tabletop and you're dropping 1 at a time, just like that. 3, 2, and let's go. Nice. I love doing single leg stuff because it really lets you tune in right to your body. Does one side feel easier? Do you need to give a little more love to one side? This is it. Conversation with your body happening right now. Nice and steady. Remember, everything doesn't have to be fast. There's intention behind this. 15 seconds. Got our break coming up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Take a second. We got bicycle crunches coming up next. So last time we had the legs, and this time we're bringing both in, wide fingertips behind, and extend out. I'm gonna take this last couple seconds to break. We go in 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, and wide elbows. Right, imagine that apple under the chin. Right, we don't wanna be too tucked in. Nice pedal. There we go. Ride it out. Remember, you always have the round 1 option if you need to rest that upper half. I got you covered. Let's go. Last 15. I literally can feel myself working up an appetite right here. This is a good workout, right? We get to refuel after. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, take a quick second right here. We're flipping back over for our Supermans. This time, we're doubling it. So we're gonna feet down on our bellies. You're gonna need 2 lifts, up, up. Just like that, in 3, 2, and let's go. You don't wanna feel like you're overextending too much. Still go with your range that works for you, or you always have round 1, right? Your foundational Superman. Nice exhale. Good squeezes, come on. Feel my glutes also fatiguing from this, come on. Woo. Body weight work is still good work. Push out. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Coming back to that bird dog. This time we're gonna add a little crunch because it's a crunch workout, right? Not. You're gonna extend opposite arm and leg, but come back to center, round, out, reset. Take it out, in, out, and other side. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Good. A little mobility worked in. Eye line on the floor. Just like that. All right, as your heart rate's possibly coming up, use this kind of as a recovery movement, active rest. Let's go. Last 15. Oh yeah, there we go. Feels good right after the double Supermans. Push. 3, 2, 1. Break coming. Back up to standing. Take your time. Be mindful of how your body's feeling, right? If we need to pause for just a second, do you. We're gonna walk out this time, but we're gonna add a spider plank, some more oblique work. You're gonna walk out, high plank, drive that knee to the outside, outside, back up to the top. Let's go. 3, 2, and work. Lock it in. Drive. Take it back up. You get it now, right? I told you were gonna spice it up. Adding on every round. And even if you're not there today, you know it's something that you get to look forward to, right? As you do this workout again. That's how we do it in Class FitSugar, right? Progressing you versus you. Last 12 seconds. Give me one more right here, let's go. Take it in. 3, 2, 1. Feel it up. Breaky break. Back to the ground. Round 3. This is how we're finishing strong, right? Those heel drops we did, we're gonna put it all together. So we've got double, single, single. You got it? 3, 2, and let's go. Double, single, single. Getting that control back after those walkouts. Be mindful of that low back. Always checking in with you. There we go. It's funny catching your breath right over a core and lower back workout. Whew. That's it, last 15 seconds. Keep those heel taps tight. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Y'all didn't know you could remix the bicycles, did you? We've got tricycle crunches. Okay, so last round we were here. This time you're gonna rotate 3 times to one side. 1, 2, 3, then switch just like that. Oh boy, in 3, 2, and 1, let's go. Keep those wide elbows. Just like that. I'm telling you, these burn way more, right? Because we have that hold for a little bit longer. Nice and strong. Woo! We got it, class, let's go. Oh yeah. What a great number, 3, huh? Let's go, 15 seconds. Push it out. Oh my gosh. Let's go, last 10. Watch that chin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Maybe a second, if you take a second, if you need it. All right, we're gonna flip over Superman again. This time we're gonna add a lat pull down, taking care of our low back, but also our back, just the entire back. Let's do it. Arms and legs extended. You're gonna reach up, retract back, extend, back down. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, lift. Give me that nice pause. Good. Bring it all together. Taking care of our entire back here. Make sure you get that nice exhale. Good. Keep the integrity of those lifts, right? Just like round 1 with some extra spice. Let's go. 15 seconds. Push it out right here. Let's go, less than 10. You got it. Arms are burning, everything's burning, but we're good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's get ready to go into our next move. Bird dog swim. Okay, you're gonna extend opposite arm and leg, tabletop right here. Extend, bring that hand to the small of your back. Reset, switch sides. In 3, 2, and let's go. Right there. Reel it in, because you know we got our next move, which is gonna bring the heart rate up. Bring it out. Keep that smooth stroke all in line. Brace your core. Squeeze, right, while we're going through the motion. Let's go. Coming to the finish here, last 10 seconds. Finish, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Coming back up. This is it right here. I get so pumped. We're doing it. You're walking out spider plank, but if you want it, we're adding a push-up just to demo for you. Here, take it out, take it out. If you want it, push up. Bring it back up. 3, 2, and let's go. Walk it out. Also, if you need to, you can drop to your knees. Give me that push-up right there. Come back up. Walk it back up. I got you covered. How many reps can you get in? Take it back up. Oh yeah. Let's go. We're past the halfway mark right there. Oh yeah. Small pause to breathe and contract. Last 10 seconds, make this one good. Push up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You did that. I'm so proud of you. We took care of ourselves. You gave it your 100. It was you versus you today. I can't wait till I see you again in another Class FitSugar. I'll see you later.